What's key to remember in hydrolysis of salts is that conjugates of weak acids and weak bases react with water. Conjugates of strong acids and strong bases do not. So we see the chloride ion as a conjugate of the strong acid HCl is not going to react with water. The hypochlorite ion is going to react with water. So the hypochlorite ion will react with water, and in fact it's going to react as a base. That means that this solution is going to be basic. Ammonium ion is the conjugate of the weak base ammonia. And the final ion here, the nitrate ion, this is the conjugate of a strong acid. It's not going to react with water. So of the ions that are here, 2 of them are not going to react with water at all. 1 of them will react with water to produce a basic solution. Only the ammonium ion, so therefore only 3, is going to react with water to produce an acidic solution.